The truth is, it's all about your CPM. So before we start the video, let me say this, guys. This is probably how I feel. I feel when I have a high CPM, and we'll speak on what a CPM is. I feel like when I have a high CPM, I don't get a lot of views on the video. That's the craziest thing, because you get so much money per thousand. Let's just say you're making $45 CPM for that video. But for some reason, I can't get 1,000 views. Or if I do, I only get 1,000 views. What's up, YouTube? Now, we're going to talk about it. I'm not saying nothing bad about YouTube, but that's just me. I just feel like that. But anyways, let's talk about this money. Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back. It's one of your faves, Sin. So today we're diving deep into a topic that every content creator dreams of, and that is how to get a high CPM on YouTube and grow your revenue fast. So if you want to maximize your earnings and turn your passion into profit, stick around because I have game-changing tips for you. One of the biggest factors influencing CPM is your niche. Niches like finance, technology, and health tend to have a higher CPM because advertisers are willing to pay more to reach those audiences. Okay, Sin, what does CPM stand for? It stands for cost per milli, which means cost per thousand impressions. Basically, it's how much advertisers are willing to pay for every 1,000 views on your videos. Now, higher CPM means more money in your pocket, but how do you achieve that? So my niche is basically education and how-to. Those niches do pretty well. CPM be pretty good. Sometimes I'll get a CPM low, and sometimes I'll get one really high. Now, I have one now that's about $30-something. That's a pretty high CPM to me, considering I teach educational content. Now, usually $32 and up is what you get when you do finance, technology, or some health related. Now, when you do weight loss journeys and things like that, those CPMs are so high, guys. So it really just depends on the type of content that you're putting out. Like as for right here, this one is $32, basically because it's speaking about money. This is a cash out video. It's speaking on money. Y'all, money videos and videos on how much I made on YouTube, they do really, really good. So one of the easiest ways to get more money on your videos is your ad placement. Your ad placement is crucial. YouTube allows you to choose where ads appear in your videos. Now, for longer videos, consider adding mid-roll ads to maximize your revenue. But be sure not to overwhelm your viewers with all those ads, because we don't want them to click off. We know how we feel when we like, why are so many ads popping up? And you'll click off. We don't want that. I mean, we want the money, so we're going to put the ads all through there. But think about your viewer. Keep your viewer in mind. Oh, yeah. Also, consider creating longer videos. Videos that are at least 8 minutes long can have multiple ad placements. So more ads mean more revenue. Just make sure the content remains engaging throughout the entire video to keep your audience hooked. We want to keep the audience hooked. Me personally, I feel we have 30 seconds to hook in our audience. We are busy, our lives are this, that, and the third, so our attention span is very short. So if you're going to grab your audience, you only have a few seconds to grab your audience. So as soon as you click record, reel them in, hook them, reel them in really quick, and keep them entertained. Okay, it's one thing to get on here and hook them, but you gotta reel them in. Now, as we all know, because we watch YouTube as well, eventually it gets a little boring, but that's okay. You need to make sure that you're giving them a lot of information to keep them hooked for at least half of the video. Half of the video is good, because when they watch half of the video, that lets YouTube, the algorithm, know this video is pretty good. People are staying on at least halfway through the video, and then they'll push your video out to more people. So let's take a look at some of my CPMs. Now, some are low, some are high, but guess what? When you put them all together, you make the bag. Let's go. So let me say this. This is one of my worst months ever. Okay, I hope I don't ever have to see a month like this again. And it's crazy because I really went hard and I really posted content every single day. So I'm like very disappointed that YouTube did not push my content more than it did, because This right here looks terrible. So as you can see at the top left, I made $49.65 on this video. The RPM was $8 and something. Right up under there, I made $351.68, 10K views. And the CPM right here, I keep saying CPM. The RPM was $32, which that wasn't too bad. But look at the other two. It's like YouTube was playing with me this month, and I feel like I give out too much information for YouTube to be playing with me. So I will try again next month. I'm just showing you guys that the RPM, CPM, all that stuff fluctuates. That's just how it is. But like I said, this is the worst month that I've had, which means I will continue to post content and I will keep going. Because like I said earlier, you will have months like this. You will have months like, okay, YouTube, what is going on? Thank God for super chats, super thanks, memberships. Thank God for all that stuff. Thank God for people buying my merch. Thank God for sponsorship deals. Y'all, I'm talking all over my stuff. Thank God for all that, because if I relied on YouTube alone, I would be very disappointed, especially because this is like my job now. Like, this is what I do. And so it's very important that you have multiple streams of income. Do not depend on one source, because anything could happen. Anything could happen. The whole network can go down one month. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you have multiple streams of income. Try to work on super chats. Work on your merch. Try Facebook. Just try something to make sure that you secure the bag. So as you can see, it fluctuates. YouTube fluctuates. And we have absolutely no control over that. We have no control. Some months we will have a lot of money. Some months it'll be okay. Some months it'll be low. But at least we know it fluctuates. It fluctuates. So continue to make your content, continue to be authentic, continue love doing what you love to do, and it will work out for you. Now, I'm not telling you to be worried about your CPM. Don't worry about your CPM. Just create your content. Don't worry about your views. Don't worry about your subscribers. Just create the content, because the views will come and the subscribers will come. No, it may not come overnight. And that's very discouraging for you to take your time. You're feeling good. You press publish and you only get 20 views for the whole day. It's okay. 20 people saw your face today. 20 people saw your content today. That's 20 people that can tell 20 more people. So don't give up, guys. Keep going. Keep doing what you love. Remain authentic. Being authentic will take you longer than anything, okay? So just be you. Have fun with it. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, your girl Sin is out.